How can we choose a suitable tool after searching keywords like clean up phone app on Google? Well, to classify cleaning apps for Android tablet or phone, this video will show you 14 apps and will give their comprehensive features for reference. Introductions: 14 best Android cleaner apps. 1. Mobikin Assistant for Android version. You searching for the best Android cleaner app without ads? Well, you can look no further than Mobikin Assistant for Android version, which is regarded as the best Android cleaner in 2020. 2. Clean Master. By deleting files, Clean Master creates space to ensure that your device is not delayed. This Clean Master app for Android is available in many languages, so anyone in the world can benefit from its various features. 3. AllInOne Toolbox. AllInOne Toolbox is published by IO Software Technology Ltd. It is suitable for Android 4, 3, or above operating system and supports multi-language download. It's a veritable Android toolkit that makes sure your Android device is running in good condition. 4. Norton Clean. As one of the best Android cleaner and optimizer, Norton Clean is to allow users to free up extra memory and delete any unnecessary files from their phone. It is a respected network security software provider. 5. Advanced Task Manager. Mobile phones support multitasking with their advantages. Among other possibilities, Advanced Task Manager can simplify the basic procedures of the system. Yet, you don't know you can consume all the running log terminals. 6. GoSpeed. If you get an old Samsung cleaning app may be your good helper. GoSpeed, for Samsung and most other Android phones, cleans up background processes, stops applications running in stealth mode, and disables annoying auto-start applications. 7. Cleaner. Want a mobile phone utility? Do a lot of different things. Cleaner is another utility to let your Android phone run smoothly. It is built by VPN Main Laboratory, providing a good basic system cleaning features, a basic garbage file cleaner, and task killer. 8. Ace Cleaner. With unique Ace cleaning and supercharging engine maximizes the performance of your phone. Ace Cleaner, one of the storage cleaner apps, supports scanning and deleting advertising trash, remaining info, cache junk, memory NuGuy, PK files, etc. 9. AppCash Cleaner. Its main function is to clean the cache in the application installed on the mobile phone or tablet, so as to free space and memory. AppCash Cleaner can set the automatic cleaning time, such as running automatically every 6 hours, or running when getting up in the morning. 10. OneTap Cleaner. Different from other software, OneTap Cleaner has been released recently, so it has not been evaluated so much yet, and there are fewer users, but its ability to clear cache and history logs cannot be ignored. 11. Droid Optimizer. It is only applicable to Android, providing higher speed and memory for smartphones. Droid Optimizer, another Android junk cleaner, is available for Android 2.3 or later OS. 12. History Eraser. Just now, we mentioned several software that can record history. The following one, History Eraser, is also about clearing history and cache. The most important feature is, it can clean up clipboard data and email history, and of course other caches. 13. Magisk. It is a good Android rooting solution for clearing Android data to obtain root permission. Magisk won't change the form of content to modify system files. It allows you to further customize the system of your Android device. 14. Greenify root required. Greenify, to be mentioned below, is to kill the uncommon applications by saving the battery consumption of mobile phone, so that these programs can generate as little junk info as possible.